Welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke, and we are here at the 2024 Concours d'Elegance in Scottsdale, Arizona. Now, if you look around me, you will see the most elegant cars. These are award-winning cars that have come from all across the globe specifically for this event. And of course, we wanted to bring you guys along on this journey.
First of all, welcome to sunny Scottsdale. And the sun shines a little wet today, but not too bad. And we're having a wonderful time because we love, believe it or not, if you live in the desert, we love to have a little bit of moisture. And that's what we're having. For the photographers, it's a field day because you get some of your best pictures in this kind of weather.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you found an elegant car that really spoke to you. So click that like, comment, subscribe button and let us know your thoughts on the elegant cars here. Now, it is just a glimpse. I wish you guys could be here in person to really experience just how awesome this event was. But we're happy we were at least able to show you just a little bit. Now remember guys, if you want to collect your car of your own, check out our website at ClassicCars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. And also be sure to check out Auto Hunter, which is our 7-day online auction.